Welcome to the Growth Hub. Today's video topic is the use of dopamine agonist medications and the potential dangers of these drugs. Let's get right into it. How much do you really know about dopamine agonist medications and their potential side effects? These are a class of drugs primarily used in the treatment of conditions such as Parkinson's disease and restless leg syndrome. Dopamine agonists work by mimicking the role of dopamine, a neurotransmitter in the brain that controls many functions, including movement and reward. They bind to dopamine receptors, stimulating them to produce a response. But despite their benefits, these medications are not without their risks. A growing body of research has started to uncover a darker side to these medications. Numerous studies have begun to shed light on the potential link between dopamine agonist medications and addictive behaviors. One of these studies, published in the acclaimed New England Journal of Medicine, found that nearly 17% of patients using these medications developed problem behaviors, including compulsive gambling, excessive shopping, and hypersexuality. Another study, published in JAMA Internal Medicine, echoed these findings, reporting that patients on dopamine agonists were 2 to 3.5 times more likely to engage in these addictive behaviors than those not taking the medication. These behaviors can have devastating impacts on patients' lives, leading to financial difficulties, relationship strain, and even legal trouble. A research review in the Annals of Neurology further substantiated these claims, stating that dopamine agonists can hijack the reward system in the brain, causing a cycle of addiction that can be incredibly difficult to break. And it's not just adults who are affected. A pediatrics report found that even adolescents can develop these behaviors when taking dopamine agonists, highlighting the urgent need for further research and caution in prescribing these medications. These studies paint a concerning picture of the potential risks associated with dopamine agonist medications. So what does all this mean for patients taking dopamine agonist medications? The key takeaway here is the necessity of vigilance. Doctors and patients need to work in tandem, closely monitoring for signs of addictive behaviors. The balance of benefits and potential risks of treatment becomes a critical consideration. It's about understanding that while these medications can provide relief, they may also invite unwelcome guests, like compulsive behaviors. Remember, the scales of medical treatment always tip towards informed choices. Informed decisions are always the best decisions. In conclusion, while dopamine agonist medications can be life-changing for those with certain conditions, they also come with significant risks. We've explored the use of these medications, delved into studies revealing their link to addictive behaviors, and underlined the necessity of balancing benefits against risks. It's crucial to remember this is not a one-size-fits-all scenario. Every individual responds differently to medication. Knowledge is power. Stay informed about your medications and always discuss potential side effects with your healthcare provider. That's all for this video. Until next time.